Alright, welcome everyone. Another day of Star Wars figures. Got the Bounty Hunters from Empire Strikes Back today. Got Bossk. You had Trandoshan. Yeah, he was let's see, back in the day after, before the prequels and after the original trilogy came out, the Legends Continuum or whatever they call it now, they had a book called Tales of the Bounty Hunters, and it had stories about these guys plus Dengar and what was that other guy's name? Oh, the black robot, the one that they made that Richard Ayoade voiced in the first season of Mandalorian. It wasn't the same one, but the same model robot. And it's IG-88, predecessor to IG-11 in the Mandalorian, or I guess IG-11 is technically a predecessor to IG-88 if you go by the numbers. Assassin droid. His head still turns, yeah. Now that turned his body rather than head. Arms are a little bit loose on him, but I don't feel like they're going to break or anything. And 2 Boba Fetts. That's another one of these things. I don't remember having 2 of them. I do remember that my dog ate Boba Fett's hand. The Pooch was his name, I think. No, it may have been the one before Pooch. I can't remember. This one wildly discolored somehow. This one's actually, aside from not having one hand, is pretty good shape, I'd say. I'll be honest, I didn't know I had him. He was hiding from me and I didn't realize he was there until I started doing some inspections. But I say, other than losing the hand, he's actually pretty well preserved. The paint's not terrible, not terribly faded. The backpack paint is faded over here some, but that's, I say they're it's one of those things they're 40-year-old toys. I'm amazed they're still around, let alone, I'm not going to worry too much about the fading. I say this one has all his appendages at least. Actually, this one faded but cleaner. I still have no idea where I'm getting all these duplicate toys from. It just sort of boggles my mind that I've got them. But there he is. And I say we get a good view of all of them here. He had the gun that I always thought was backwards. It was a rifle, but had the trigger all the way at the end, built specifically for his arms. Thought that was cool. And claw feet. And G88 with his bandolier. I'll say anything and everything Star Wars I was down to collect when I was a kid. I'll have to do some shorts on some of the other stuff that I get that's not really, doesn't justify its own video. Complete Boba Fett, but just almost white faded. But anyway, that's our Bounty Hunter selection from Empire Strikes Back. Got my big toy coming up tomorrow. Hope y'all enjoy that one. I was amazed to find that it was actually complete. So the ship is full. I've got the whole thing, which I don't know how that happened either. But if you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because this is I don't know how long this is all going to take, but it's going to be a while yet, folks. Thanks for watching. Bye.